Hear how the script could sound with your instructions expanded into a helpful, natural-sounding YouTube tutorial voiceover. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to log into Telegram Web and show you how to start using the Telegram Web app right from your computer. Whether you're at work, traveling, or just want that desktop experience, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to access your Telegram chats through any browser safely and smoothly. Let's get started together. First thing you'll want to do is open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you usually use to browse the internet. Now you'll need to navigate to the official Telegram web addresses. The primary one is web.telegram.org, which often redirects you automatically to one of the newer versions. Called WebK or WebZ, you can also go directly to web.telegram.org or webs.telegram.org if you want. These are just different interfaces for the same Telegram service, and all of them are secure and official, so pick whichever loads fastest for you or looks the most familiar. Once the Telegram web page opens, you'll see a login screen. Now here, where things get a little different from typical websites. Instead of logging in with a username or email, Telegram uses your phone number to keep your chats safe and synchronized across devices. So look for the tab that says Login by Phone Number. If you're not seeing it right away, check near the top or side. Sometimes websites change layouts, so don't worry if you need a second to find it. Alright, go ahead and select your country from the country list. This part is important because Telegram needs your country code to identify your phone number correctly. After that, enter your phone number just like you would when someone asks for it, without any extra zeros or country codes. The website does the work for you. Once you've typed in your number, click the Next button to move on. Now here, where Telegram's security comes in. Rather than sending you an SMS, Telegram sends a login code directly to your existing Telegram mobile app as a secure chat message. This means you'll need to have Telegram running on your phone or tablet and be able to get notifications. So take a moment to check your app now. The code is usually a 5-digit number and it'll pop up almost instantly, but if it's taking a bit, give it a moment or refresh the login page. Don't worry if you don't see the code right away. Sometimes network speeds can cause a tiny delay. Once your code arrives, enter those 5 digits into the Telegram web login prompt. It's straightforward, but double-check what you typed. Security codes are case-sensitive, and getting it right means you'll be quickly logged in. If you've enabled Telegram's two-step verification, that adds another layer of protection. You'll be asked for your cloud password at this stage. This is a password you set up for extra security, keeping your messages safe even if someone were to get your phone number. Just enter your cloud password, and if you've forgotten it, follow Telegram's prompts to recover it. And there you go. Once you finish these steps, Telegram Web will load your chat interface, showing all your messages, groups, and channels just like the app on your phone. You're now ready to use Telegram Web. Send messages, join group chats, or catch up on news all from your browser. If this tutorial helped you get set up, please give the video a thumbs up. If you ran into any issues or have questions, drop them into the comments. I always try to reply and help out. And for more tech tutorials and simple guides, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy chatting with Telegram Web.